Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a chase. So first things first, we need to turn our key into program mode. In the previous video we looked at how to make a still state by using the memory cue. On this one we're going to use our chase button. So if I press the chase button you'll see the available faders flashing. So I'm going to use this first one here. To do this, it's as simple as choosing the lights that you want on at the time and then pressing the blue button. So if we're making a sun strip scrolling chase, and then I put my first light, first fader up, which obviously is the first two lights on the sun strip, and I press the blue button, you'll see it continues to flash because I'm still programming it. So if I now put the next light on and press my blue button, this time I'm putting my third light on, but I want my first light to come down. Press the blue button, and then I'm going to do that again. So the next light on and that fader back down, this light on, this fader down, and then I'm going to bring this one down and this one down. Once I've finished my chase, I press the chase button again. If I hit clear and exit and I now turn my fader up, hopefully my chase will come on as we've just made it. So not the best chase in the world, but you get the idea. If I scroll this button on here, you'll see it changes the speed of them. So that's how to make a chase. Now you'll see that's quite glitchy, so you have to be really on the ball with your fader times and where you're pushing the button to make sure you've got the same sort of space in between it, and that you're not sort of leaving too long a pause between the first state and the last state, otherwise that's where you end up with that sort of glitchiness. So that's how you program a chase. You can obviously do this with colors, with parkans. So in this exactly the same way, we're in program mode. We hit the chase button. Maybe this time I want the lights to flash on the band. So to do that, I do exactly the same thing. So I choose the light that I want on, press my blue button. Maybe I want these lights to then come on. Then we're going to have these lights on, these lights, and we just basically keep going. Until we've decided, yep, that's everything. Hit our chase button. If we move this fader up now, clear and exit, don't forget that. Move this fader up now, you'll see these different lights are now going to flash. So obviously in itself that's a little bit weird and a little bit boring, but if we now mix that in with our color modes and our general wash lights, obviously it's just starting to add a lot more dynamic and a lot more fun stuff to it. Obviously you can't just rely on having one chase, you're going to need multiple chases in, so we might need this one to stop. Obviously this is where we can now get our sun strips going from a previous chase, and then obviously we could mix the two in if needs be. So that's basically how you make chases. Like I said, this can be ending up really super cheesy, so we tend not to use chases on a Sunday. In our environments they're just not the sort of thing that we do here at the moment. Maybe one day we will do, but at the moment in time we don't. But it's good for you to know how to make them, and maybe you're doing some lights for a youth event or one of the kids worship mornings or one of our other events where maybe we do want to have something a bit more flashy. So just that's how you make a chase. I'm just going to show you one last quick chase to make just in terms of our LEDs, just so you get the concept with that as well. So pressing my chase button, I'm just literally going to make our LED strips go from red to green to blue to white, and then press my chase button, hit my clear and exit. Now if I put that fader up, those will just scroll around those colours. Obviously if I can slow it right down, or if I want it a bit more psychedelic I can speed it up nicely. So that's how to make chases. Do have a play, have a little test. It can take a long time to work out how to do them. There are loads of other things you can do. So if you've missed a light out, you can add it in, you can merge cues and all sorts of things. I'm just showing you the two main things just to get you started.